Yeah, this video is for anybody that got a moped that won't crank, won't start. That's what you do right here. Stick your hand in the main capacitor. Stick your hand in the main capacitor. Pull that out. Put that back in there. Pull it up. This right here. Shake it up.
Bluetooth connected.
Pull some in there. Put it back in there. Take your spark plug out, yank it out, cut it. What else could you do? Try to let the airs out your tires too and see if that'll make it crank up. That might work. Take the switch right here, flip it back 2 times like that. Like that. Crank up.